What's up YouTube, we're back with another cinematic taper tutorial. Thank you for tuning in, and let's get started. First up, moisten up your canvas so you're able to section with ease. With your trimmer, create your first baseline and remove everything underneath. Remember, everything you do to one side should be done to the other the exact same way. Now shave off all the stubble using your shaver for a cleaner look. With your clipper, open up the lever and make about a 1/2 inch guideline. Preferably using corners, close up the lever and keep opening up until you reach a full lever open. Attach the 1.5 guard open and create a full inch guideline. Flick out a tad bit so you won't create a new guide. Right after, soften everything up with the number 2. The number 3 is an option and is literally to cut off small tips. Now using the 1/2 guard halfway open, create a 1/2 inch guideline. I then use the number 1 open or erase the line above. If you have to play with the lever in this step, that is completely okay. Now finally open up the lever without a guard and use the corners to take out the last visible line. Guys, I just want to thank everybody who keeps up with the channel. I truly appreciate y'all. Now for the back of the taper, we literally do the exact same steps. If you have to pause or rewind during the tutorials, go right ahead and remember that the more you do something, the better you get at it. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to click that red button as it does help out the channel tremendously. If you happen to be wondering where to get these translucent premium guards, visit MartyBlendz.com. Now in order to do these necklines, I always spray hairspray so I'm sure they stay in place. When lining up, I don't try to go in too deep and I try to stay as natural as possible. If you guys have any questions, please make sure to drop them down in the comment section below. YouTube, here you have the final look to this beautiful taper, and I hope you learned something from me today. Again, thank you for watching. That's been it for me. I'm MartyBlendz, and I'm out. Peace.